I am Håkan Örberg and I am a researcher at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. It's a university dealing with all kind of agriculture areas issues, and in the city of Umeå, where we are right now, we are focused, all research are focused on the forestry issues. We are here in a special project called Remote. That is an EU-funded project, and the idea about this project is to distribute knowledge about renewable energy solutions. The course we are running this week is aiming to teach sort of key persons that can bring the knowledge further on in their maybe in their institutes or organizations, and also for small enterprises.
My name is Gunnar Kalén and I'm the manager of this experimental plant for biofuel technology. We thought that it would be a good idea to spread it around in this remote project, because the countries Ireland, Scotland, Norway have not so much experience from biomass from the forests, and I think we could give them some ideas how to work with it. We are specialized in the milling of different types of biofuels, upgrading to briquettes, pellets, combustion, separation in different forms, and analyzing the chemical composition and the physical properties. The key equipment here is from a very big shredder and a big hammer mill down to small laboratory mills. So we can reduce sizes from several tons with metal, stone contamination down to only some grams that is actually analyzed, and that is very important that you don't lose any components during that way. We also have two different sized but full industrialized size of pellet mills, so we can compare our results with what you actually get out in a commercial pellet plant.
My name is Christopher Boman. I'm working as a senior researcher here, associate professor at Umeå University, with biomass combustion research, different aspects. I was mainly talking about some challenges related to an increased utilization of biomass for mainly for heating purposes and power production in small and medium scale appliances. And I talked mainly about aspects related to the ash formation, problems related to that, things that don't burn, I mean nutrients and trace metals, and also about particle emissions. And I think today those represent two of the major challenges.
My name is Inge Hommedal. I come from the western part of Norway, a village called Voss, and I'm working in a small company designing, planning, building, operating and owning biofuel plants for district heating. I came here because I was invited by a specialist in my region, and I wanted to learn more about biomass in general and pellets production and quality testing in particular.
Side visits are important part of the course to see the reality. We have this course is a 3-day course, and the third day is based on a study tour, and we are visiting small plants.
My name is Olav Seim. I'm coming from a small community in western part of Norway, in Hardanger, called Granvin. We have a project that will go for a year, and we shall bring this competence into our project.
Sweden is very well advanced as far as biomass is concerned. They have a good tradition. They have been using biomass for many years, and they have a lot to teach other nations, I think.
It's a very dominating fuel in Sweden, or energy source in Sweden. And we also participate in a lot of standardization programs, how to sample, how to analyze, how to handle biomass. So I think we have decades of experience.
Sweden is one of the countries that has been working with biomass, bioenergy, for a long time now in Europe, 20-30 years or something, I would say. And during that time we have gained a lot of experiences, both from practical, the use of biomass in the industry, but not at least also Sweden has put in a lot of efforts for research and development actually.
I learned a lot about pellets, and the course has so far fulfilled all my expectations. This will bring our company a step forward, I think.
We could really do this course another time. This was the first try, and we tried to create a model for how this kind of course should be built up.
As far as I know, there are no courses like this, so that would have been very nice, especially in my region.
For me it has been a very useful course, because I knew very little about this before I came here. It inspired me to take this technology to Norway.